We need your help. We really, really need your help, community around the world.
You want to give back, right? You want to be able to give back to something that has helped you so much in your career.
You can make a difference by joining the board. By bringing that voice of the community up, then collaborating with board members who are from around the world and also with the HU team, we can really deliver some change and value and some benefit to the global membership.
I think the professional community has changed so much. We have AI, we have analysts, we have developers. This way we can fully represent all of the segments of our population.
I'd like people to know that you can bring different ideas and a different perspective, have it be heard, and accomplish things.
But at the end of the day, having the community's best interests, getting feedback from community members is the ultimate goal. So it's been one fun ride.